SEO agencies charge between $2,000 and $10,000 a month. For most small businesses, that's not realistic. I'm going to show you a tool that does what those agencies do for less than your weekly Starbucks. It's called Outrank. Here's what it actually does. You give it your website. It analyzes your niche, finds the keywords your competitors are ranking for, and builds you a 30-day content plan. Then, every day, it writes a full SEO article and publishes it directly to your blog. WordPress, Webflow, Shopify, Notion, Wix, Framer. While that's running, it's also exchanging backlinks with other quality sites in your network, so your domain rating climbs without you sending a single outreach email. This is the same workflow agencies charge thousands for. Keyword research, content production, on-page optimization, link building. Outrank does it on autopilot for less than what you spend on coffee. Roman scaled gojiberry from a domain rating of 2 to 25 in 4 months. Denis went from 0 to 26 in 3 months. Benny saw 5 to 25 in 49 days. 750,000 articles produced on the platform so far. If you've been quoted $5,000 a month for SEO and you can't justify it, this is your alternative. Free trial, link in the description. Stop overpaying, start ranking.